Although the Asiya toolkit is not difficult to install, it still requires some technical skills in order to set up all the linguistic resources, the dictionaries, and other tools. So to facilitate its usage, Asiya offers a web interactive application that can be run on any modern browser, and also a web service which is accessible through a simple software client. I will describe these two modules next. The Asiya online interface allows an interactive access to the most Asiya functionality and provides some graphical visualization of the results. It is designed to help the developers familiarize with the Asiya functionalities and also to facilitate the use and rapid evaluation of system and datasets. It also facilitates the analysis of the errors produced by the anti-systems by creating some visualization of the linguistic information and the information which is associated to the metrics as well. But I think it's worth it also to see a live demo in order to understand the main functionalities of the interface. It consists on a simple web form where the user can supply the testbed and run Asiya. Let's do it. Hello. In this demo session, I will show you how to evaluate your dataset using the interface of Asiya. In the main website, you will find some technical documentation about how to install Asiya, which are all the repository of measures in Asiya and how are they calculated. You will find also the link to access the online version of Asiya. Here, you will find two buttons. If you have already obtained some evaluation scores using the command line version, then you can use this button to upload all your results and access directly to the search interface I will tell you later. If it's not the case, then you use this button to access the web form where you can upload your dataset and you can set up the parameters you want to use to run Asiya. The same when you did in the config file for the command line version. Here we will select the Spanish language for the source language, and English is already the target language, and we will upload our small data set we used in the previous demo. Once all the files are uploaded, then you can also select which measures do you want to obtain. Here you can see the whole repository of measures depending on the target language you selected. We will unselect the negative ones here, and then we will select some syntactic measures and semantic measures in order to see also the linguistic based information. Finally, we can run Asiya. That's it. As a result, Asiya offers three different views. In the first one, you can see interactive tables with the scores. Here, you can select the different organization of the table, and you can also reorder the table according to the measure you prefer. The table contains the scores at segment level, or you can also see them at system level. The second view shows you interactive bar charts with the results of the evaluation. Here, again, you can choose which systems do you want to see. You can select to obtain the results at segment level or system level, and you can also change the segment you want to inspect. When you move your mouse over the graphic, you can see each specific score for each measure. Sorry. The third view is for error analysis and inspection. Here, you will here Asiya displays the dependency trees for each sentence in the corpus, the constituency trees, and some annotations over the sentences. Asiya calculates several, a number of linguistic annotations, and such as part of the speech, name entities, chunks, and so on. Here you can see all this information, and moving your mouse over the words, you can see all the matching instances on every sentence. This way you can detect why some measures evaluate or score better one sentence or others. You can also see the scores along with the sentences, and you can choose which information do you want to see. That's all about your about the online interface of Asiya. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact us. You can find us in the forum, or you can also find us in the Asiya list distribution. Thanks.